like, it's good to educate yourself on the human body because we live in our body every day. Like, I'm Tiffany Elizabeth and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking to you about how to keep your panties dry and clean. This right here, I use this religiously. These are like my go-to liners. I do have other reviews on other liners that I've used that are fine as well. My first tip to you, you want to be changing your underwear frequently. Now, when I say frequently, I don't mean like every single time that you use the bathroom or anything like that, because I can just only imagine laundry, and then with our day-to-day schedules, nobody really got time for all that. If you are experiencing wetness, you want to go ahead and change them if you can, even if that means bringing an extra pair with you in your purse or in your backpack or whatever you carry around in your car, just, you know, whatever. Just changing your underwear more than once a day can definitely help with wetness. Also, you do not want to be walking around in wet underwear because that can cause bad bacteria. It is literally a breeding ground for bad bacteria down there, and you do not want that because that can cause infections like yeast infections and stuff like that. I am not a healthcare professional. Do your own research. It's on you whether you want to take my word for it or not, but I've done lots of research on this topic, and then not only that, but I am obviously a woman, so I'm talking to you from my own experiences. I see a doctor regularly throughout my entire life. Another tip that I would have for you is to wear panty liners. Like I've already mentioned in this video, I wear panty liners every single day when I'm not on my period. When I'm on my period, obviously I wear pads, which I have another video on that as well. You want to be changing your panty liner every single time you use the bathroom, or if you notice discharge, go ahead and change your panty liner. You don't have to change it every single time you use the bathroom, but if you notice that you've discharged in it or whatever, go ahead and change it because you want to stay dry, you want to stay clean. The goal here is health and comfortability. Is that even a word? Comfort? The goal is comfort, okay? We just gonna say that. I've never heard any female ever say that they enjoy wet underwear. Like, no. Bottom line, wear panty liners. This next one is pretty obvious, but some people, you know, no one has ever told them. Taking a shower or bath or washing up, something daily, like every single day, you need to be cleaning yourself. I do not recommend using harsh soaps or soaps down there on your hoo-ha. Like, it can throw your pH balance off. If you don't know what a pH balance is, do your research, because we want to have a healthy balance down there, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you are just, you know, cleaning yourself with water daily. And I don't mean just like a little splish splash. You want to make sure that you are cleaning yourself every single day, so that way, you know, you stay clean. Also, when you are drying yourself off after you've showered or whatever, you want to make sure that you are dry before putting your underwear on, even if that means air drying. That's actually recommended. Sis, wear clean panties, okay? Let me find out you on here not wearing clean underwear. Change underwear and wear some clean underwear, or go get some clean underwear. Okay, that is another tip that I have for you guys. Make sure your panties is clean, okay, when you are putting them on, because like if you've been wearing the same underwear for 2 to 7 days, like you're wilding. You know what I'm saying? If you do not have resources for clean underwear, even if that means you gotta hand wash them, you know what I'm saying? Old school with it. Go old school with it. Hand wash your panties if you don't have access to a washing machine and dryer. There's no excuse. Hand wash them with soap and water, hot water, you know what I'm saying? Scrub them things, hang them up and let them air dry fully. Make sure that your underwear is dry before you put them on. But I cannot stress this enough. Wear clean underwear. Wear clean underwear. That is going to be super beneficial. That's going to be super beneficial to your overall health and helping you to stay dry and to stay clean, y'all. Recap, overview, let's do that. Okay, so wear panty liners. Change your panty liners when you notice any type of discharge. Change your underwear more than once a day if you have to. Wear clean underwear and wash yourself. This is all a part of hygiene, you guys. Some parents or guardians or whoever that you live with may not talk about this because they assume that you know, or it's just an awkward topic, or it's something that we just don't think about. So that's why I'm here, or why there are videos and resources out there available to you guys. This video is a bit of TMI, but if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. And I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.